I just resolved what I think is a pretty standard car accident case this week. And I just wanted to film a quick video just to explain what happened and describe the result. So my client, she was in her car along with her two daughters. I think her daughters were 16 and 17 years old. They were heading southbound on 49th Street North in St. Petersburg. A pickup truck ran the red light at 30th Avenue North and smashed into the side of their car. And it was a legit impact. They didn't go seek any emergency medical treatment. They wound up waking up feeling sore. And so they contacted us the following day. We sent out the contracts and we referred them to a chiropractic physical therapy office that was close to their home, and they started the treatment. We set up the claim, we sent out the letters to the at-fault parties, and it turned out there was only $20,000 in total insurance available for this accident. So we monitored the treatment. The mom wound up having several visits with a chiropractor. She got an MRI. She actually had a disc herniation in her lower back. One of her daughters also had an MRI done, and she had a disc bulge in her back, so not as serious. The other daughter did not wind up having an MRI. They all did conservative treatment with chiropractic and physical therapy, and that was the extent of their treatment. We sent off the demand. Here it is, mid-February 2022. We received the check for the full $20,000. I don't know how they're going to split that up necessarily 3 ways, or I'll have to look at the medical bills. But in any event, that's a pretty typical car accident involving a pickup truck, moderate injuries, moderate impact, low levels of insurance. So that's what we see a lot in our day-to-day work. But all 3 of them are going to put some money in their pocket. They were able to get some physical therapy and feel better. So it was a success story.